Hello Aman, how are you?
Hello.
Are you fine?
Fine.
Okay, so today we are going to do chromatography, isn't it? In chromatography, actually what is the meaning of chromatography? Chroma means color and graphy means we will separate the colors on a piece of paper. So can you see Aman is holding a white piece of paper? This is called as Watsman filter paper. It is a good quality filter paper which is used for chromatography, right? It's a kind of paper chromatography because we are using a paper which is Watsman filter paper for performing our practical, right? On this paper, it's actually a piece of Watsman filter paper which we have cut. The paper comes in the form of sheet out of which we make this kind of slips. Now what Aman is going to do is he will draw a line just equal to the width of the scale. In book it is written that you can take 2 centimeters above or 4 centimeter, but that much is a lot. So I think you will have to just take the area which is equal to the width of the scale. So he has drawn already the line. Now exactly at the center of this line he has to put a point. So Aman, can you please draw a point? Yes, very good. Now we have here with us mixture of red and blue ink, and with the help of the capillary tube Aman will put few drops of mixture on this point which we have drawn here. Yes Aman, can go ahead. Just see what he is doing. This is mixture of red and blue ink kept in the watch glass. Yes. We will repeat this step 2-3 times so that the dot becomes enriched in red and blue ink components. Till Aman is doing this, see, this is the boiling test tube. Actually there is always a perfect apparatus for this, but if we don't have apparatus, then how it can be done? So take a boiling test tube. This mega size big test tube is called as boiling test tube, in which already I have taken a mixture of distilled water and alcohol. So the quantity should be equal, means if you are taking 1 ml distilled water, take 1 ml ethyl alcohol. So this test tube is containing ethyl alcohol and distilled water. Now the strip is ready. You should take the quantity of ethyl alcohol and water in this test tube so that the level is like this point should not get wet. Okay, it should remain above the level of the liquid like this. See, the liquid is not wetting the dot. I will hold it in my hand so that it can be seen properly. See, the level of liquid is below the drop. Now we will leave this assembly for few minutes, maybe 20 to 25 minutes. And after some time we will see and our chromatogram will be ready. 2 things have to be reported. This paper is called as stationary phase. In chromatography always there are 2 phase. One is stationary phase. Stationary means जो move नहीं कर रहा, ठीक है, वो stationary है. और इसमें ethyl alcohol plus water क्या है? Moving phase है, मूवेबल है, क्योंकि वो यहाँ पर राइज करेगा लेवल और इस ड्रॉप को लेकर के रेड और ब्लू इंक का क्रोमेटोग्राम बना देगा इस पेपर पे. सो वी विल हैव टू वेट नाउ फॉर 20 to 25 minutes and then let's see what happens. Now you see our chromatogram is ready. Okay, so this is one extra chromatogram which we had prepared, and you can very well see this is the dot at which you have kept your ink, mixture of ink. And you can see distinctly this is the point till which red ink has traveled. So you will take a mark over here, and this is the point till blue ink has risen. And if you will see properly, now this is quite dry, so it's not visible, but the solution is risen till here. Solution means mixture of ethyl alcohol and water. So we have to mark 3 points: red ink, blue ink, and the height till which the solution, that is your mixture of ethyl alcohol and water, has risen. Now next step will be we will have to fill this kind of observation table. So see, this child has already done it. This was the chromatogram, which is not very much clear as this was. So I can explain taking this. You will have to measure the length from this point to this point. That is the length traveled by red ink. So you see, red ink supposingly traveled 6.8 centimeter. This distance you will have to write according to your chromatogram. Then from the same point, this point, that is the origin, जहां आपने dots लगाए था, वहां से blue ink का distance देखेंगे. Say suppose that is 9 centimeter. लिख लेंगे. Then the distance traveled by the solvent, that is ethyl alcohol and your distilled water mixture. So measure this. Suppose that is 10.5 centimeter. So for red and blue ink, this place is same. So in both the places 10.5 centimeter is written. Now we will have to calculate the RF value. So what is the formula for RF? Distance traveled by blue or red ink upon distance traveled by solvent. So you see what has to be done. Column number 2 divided by column number 3. First column was this, second and third. So divide second column with third. So 6.8 upon 10.5. Whatever comes, like 0.65 is the answer. That is RF value of red ink is 0.65. And distance traveled by this blue ink is 9 centimeter. So 9 upon 10.5 is equals to 0.85. So we will post this RF value here in the result. So RF value for red ink is 0.65 and for blue ink it is 0.85. So that is 0.85. So this is how this practical is over. I hope it was clear. Thank you for watching.